Well, the B18 engine, it's a simple engine. It's inherently...
I like simple engines.
I know you do, because you can build them on the side of the road in the mud. So it's an overhead valve engine. It's cast iron, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's all cast iron. If you ground all the Volvo stuff off the engine, you could tell someone it was British. They wouldn't not believe you. It's inherently simple. It has a pair of SU carburetors, again, very English in its look and its feel. And on the starter, they feel a little bit coarse compared to an overhead cam engine. But the beauty of them is they have this endless wave of torque. They're not a peaky engine.
It's a torquey engine.
Yeah, it's a torquey engine, and you use a much narrower band of revs to do everything in it, and it impresses you with its what feels like unburstable, endlessly reliable qualities. You feel like you could literally drive it around the world twice and it would continue to keep running on the same oil. The B18 is a bulletproof engine. You know, Irv Gordon, an American gentleman, has done something like 3.5 million miles in a B18 powered P1800S, which is notwithstanding that I'm sure there's been
ridiculous amount of miles,
some maintenance. But I think it's testament to the car's inherent robustness. You can probably just keep up on oil changes and continue to drive them and drive them and drive them, and they're still there being reliable. And if the B18 engine was a person, it wouldn't be like me. It would be a lot quieter. It would be a lot less exuberant person, but it would continue far longer than I would.
Yeah,
and that's how that engine is personified.
You'd run out of energy.
Yeah.